Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys, at kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comments, share and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload ng mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung Tinvat ng Thailand na mayroong taon na 2018. So share ko lang sa inyo guys ang napakagandang history nito guys, dahil talaga namang makasaysayan guys ang tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys ng Thailand. So tapusin natin guys ang napakagandang history nito. Maiksi lang to guys. Tinvat history. Thai baht is the official legal currency of Kingdom of Thailand. Formerly Siam. For coinage, the baht is divided into 100 satangs, comparable to cents in Canadian or US dollars. The baht is denoted with the symbols B. Thailand's Central Bank, the Bank of Thailand, authorize all minting of Thai coins and printing of Thai banknotes. However, some of the minting and banknote printing is contracted to China Banknote Printing and Minting Corporation, the same state-owned Chinese corporation that produce all the coins and banknotes of the People's Republic of China. The baht is considered one of the strongest Southeast Asian currencies and is one of the most widely used currencies for payments worldwide. Despite ongoing political unrest in the country, the Thai baht was one of the best performing currencies in the foreign exchange or forex market as of 2018. Thai baht in operation. Thai baht is one of the oldest currencies in circulation, dating back approximately 800 years to the 13th century. Its trading symbol in the forex market is Thai baht. For example, the exchange rate of the baht and the British pound is stated as GBI or GBP or THB. Like the British pound sterling, the baht was originally based on a unit of mass, specifically 15 grams. The value of 1 baht was equal to 15 grams of silver, and all baht coins were composed of solid silver of a designated amount. The baht remained linked to silver unit the end of the 19th century. At the time, Thailand switched its currency to the current decimal-based system, dividing the baht into 100 satangs. Over the years, the Thai baht has been pegged as well as to gold. In the early 20th century, the currency was pegged to the British pound sterling, with the exchange rate being periodically adjusted. The exchange rates range over a period of approximately 20 years, fluctuated between 11 baht per 1 British pound and 22 baht per 1 pound. The baht was also pegged briefly to the Japanese yen, and following World War II to the price of gold, with a fixed exchange rate of 1 baht per 0.25974 grams of gold. The Thai Central Bank pegged the baht to the US dollar from the mid-1950s until 1997. The initial dollar figure translated to 20 baht is equal to $1, $1 US during the Reagan presidency, when the US economy enjoyed a period of rapid growth and a strong US dollars. The fig was adjusted upward to 25 watt is equal to $1. Following the Asian financial crisis that started 1997, the Bank of Thailand chose to allow the baht to freely float in the foreign exchange market as opposed to setting a fixed exchange rate value, the US dollars or Thailand baht exchange rate subsequently rose as high as 56 baht to $1. As of 2020, the exchange rate is roughly 30 baht per US dollar or per $1. Coin and banknotes in Thailand. As of 2020, coins in the Thailand baht are minted in denominations of 1, 5, 10, 25, and 50 satangs. There are also baht 1, 2, 5, and 10 baht coins. Banknote denominations are 20 baht, 15 baht, 50 baht, 100 baht, 500 baht to 1,000 baht. The current series of the Thai banknotes, the 2018 series, all features of portrait of the country's king, King Maha Vajiralongkorn, on the overside. The reverse side of its denominations differ, its carrying an image of a proceeding ruler of the country. The Thailand is one of the founding members of the trade organization called the Association of Southeast Asian Nations. The country's economy depends heavily on exports, accounting for approximately 66% of the country's gross domestic products or GDP. Its case export include computers, electrical appliances, textile, jewelries, and additional fishing, agriculture, and tourism are major industries in Thailand. So ito yung ating pictures guys ng ating 10 baht ng Thailand, mayroon taon na 2018. I-share ito guys ay Thailand King Prabhahiralongkorn Rama 10 Vajiralongkorn 2016 ang kanyang date. Meron siyang type na standard circulation coin at meron ding taon na 2561, 2565 or 2018 hanggang 2022. Kalendar Thai. May value guys na 10 baht. Sa Pilipinas guys, nagkakahalaga ito ng 17 pesos. Ang currency naman ay baht 1897 ang kanyang date. May composition siya na bimetallic, copper aluminum at nickel sinter and copper nickel ring, at ang kanyang core naman ay 92% ang copper, 6% ang aluminum, 2% ang nickel ring, 75% ang kanyang copper at 25% ang kanyang nickel. So 8.5 grams guys ang bigat nito or ang timbang. 26 mm naman ang kanyang diameter. 2.15 mm ang kanyang thickness at mayroon siyang shape na round. At ang kanyang technique naman ay mild. Orientation ito guys ay coin alignment. At mayroon siyang number na in number 138312. Mayroon din siyang reference number na Y577. Ito yung ating overs guys, ang bus of facing left. Mayroon siyang script na Thai, mayroon din siyang lettering na Thailand words. Ang kanyang translation, Maha Vajiralongkorn Rama the 10. Ito yung ating likuran guys, ang reverse crown monogram. Mayroon siyang script na Thai, lettering din Thai words. Translation Thailand BA 2561 10 baht. Edge segmented readings 15 segments with 5 reads in 8 segments. Mint dito guys ay Korea Mint Security Printing Corporation, Daejeon, South Korea. 5% guys ang ating 2018, may 26 pesos ang very fine, 37 pesos ang extra fine, 38 pesos ang about uncirculated at 50 pesos ang kanyang uncirculated.